Hey everyone, I'm Mike. I'm an aspiring professional artist and mangaka, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing Kakashi sensei in 6 different styles. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I'm not going to talk throughout the entirety of this video, but I am going to talk about a few things. The first is my experience, and then I'm going to go into why I think that this might be helpful for aspiring professional mangaka. So this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I typically only draw like a character in their own style, and then I kind of move on and I try to learn that way. So it was actually a lot of fun to do this, and I set out to do 8, but each one took me about an hour, anywhere between like I think 55-ish minutes to about an hour and 40 minutes to do. Part of that is just because I am still kind of slow in my process of like coloring and things like that, and still learning how to do that. And the other part is I haven't done this before, so it was a little more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Maybe not like actual skill-wise difficult, but time-wise it was a little difficult. But yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this actually, and you can tell me which one is your favorite, and tell me whether or not you feel like I did a good job, because I would love to see that in the comments. I'm gonna end up doing some of these with different characters in the future as well. I'll probably do characters like Gohan, or maybe a JoJo's character of some sort, like Giorno or something like that. But I really loved doing this. It was so much fun, and even though it was time consuming, it was really cool because it just felt like I was being pulled into my own like little world as I tried to figure out the best ways to make Kakashi look like these different styles, or how Kakashi might look in these different styles. So I had a lot of fun doing this. So why is this something that you should probably be able to do if you want to be a professional mangaka? So I think that in order to be able to develop your own style, you need to be able to see what the differences are in other styles and be able to reproduce that. And the reason why is because when you're able to do that in a very accurate way, you're able to pick and pull different parts of other styles and implement it within your own style. So if you can't, I guess the easy way to say that is, if you can't replicate other styles with different characters, you can't expect to be able to do that with your own style. So doing these kinds of like studies, or I don't know what else to call it, just whatever you want to call it, being able to do it accurately, or at least in a way that's recognizable to other people, it's important to be able to do that, and it's an important step in the process for you as an artist to be able to sit down and pick apart other art styles and figure out which parts of those art styles are things that you like, and how you can actually draw it effectively. So alrighty, so I think that's going to be all. I'm gonna just let this video play out. Again, I really did have a lot of fun. If you were wondering, the one that I felt like I struggled the most with actually was just the Naruto style. I felt like I spent so much time just drawing Kakashi in Naruto's style, and I'm not really sure why that is. I think it's because Naruto's style doesn't fit with what I personally enjoy drawing. It's a beautiful style. I'm not taking anything away from it, but it was the one I felt like I struggled the most with. The one that I felt like I personally struggled the least with was probably either the JoJo style or the Demon Slayer style. I felt like those two just kind of flowed for me, but that's also because I enjoy those styles quite a bit. I enjoy all these styles actually quite a bit, but those ones I'm the most fond of. So yeah, tell me which one you like the best. Tell me if you felt like I butchered this, or if you felt like I did a good job. Alright, thank you. Alright, so with this last one, we'll wrap things up. If you watched all the way to the end, I really appreciate you. Um, yeah, I think that just to reiterate, that I just really enjoyed doing this. This was a lot of fun. I learned a lot actually looking at these other styles. I think the thing that I would like to work the most on moving forward is just shading and things like that, the colors and stuff. I just have a little bit more of a gap there than I do in other spots, but other than that, it felt just fun to do this, and that really wasn't what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a big struggle and be a little bit too much of a grind, but it wasn't. It was honestly like a real joy to do it. So again, if you stuck around all the way to the end, I really appreciate you. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back next week with another one. Bye bye.